I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If only had a body's tattoos, I would think that it is short.